Hey guys, today is a Monday. I just got in from work. Today is a Tuesday, not Monday. I just got in from work, and that does not mean that work finishes when you stop there at the job. When you come home, you still need to work. And I wanted to show you something new that we just got from Amazon. Our vacuum cleaner had broken this weekend, so we got a new one. Let me show you. That is the box. Babaliza has just assembled it. This is the new baby right here, and that is the box that it came in with from Amazon. Thank God for Amazon. Just in 2 days it was already here. So I am vacuuming the house because we are not lucky like you guys that you can have a house manager, house help. Us here, no house help. So when you finish your shift, you still need to come and do housework. You switch it on from there, and yeah, I'm already excited by what it is busy. Let me show you. You thank God if you have a house manager, someone who helps you at home. Here you cannot dare, because employing a house manager will cost you even almost your salary. Just a babysitter alone that works part-time, it's from 50K and above. So can you imagine a house manager that comes and sleeps in your house, and the way some of them are treated like shit at home. Anyway, let me finish. Saturday night, and we have brought them kids at the rides, and yeah, they have taken 10 euro from their piggy bank, and they are paying for themselves. Yay, Alisa is interested in going there, but I don't know. She wants me to go there with her, but we will see. Summer night, when the weather is good, you don't have to stay at home. Where is Stefan? Oh, Stefan is here with Gabby. Can you see them? There. Gabby is the one who is driving this thing. Is it called go-kart or whatever? I don't know. Okay. Over there? No. Alisa is a man. I don't know where she is. She's almost there. She's one of those. Now they have added speed. You cannot see her. It's a fun night up there at the rides, and the kids are having so much fun, also us. And it's good to have a family time. Today it was so busy. Babalisa was painting, I went grocery shopping, and now we are out here. It's around 10. We'll be here maybe up to midnight. Tomorrow is Sunday. Guys, it's a Sunday. Yesterday we slept very late, as you have seen in the vlog. We took the kids at the Giostre, si chiamano Giostre. Speaking in Italian. It's called Giostre, I think, rides, and they did not come back home. And today we had to wake up very early because we have barbecue with friends. In fact, they're outside waiting. I'm still in the house because I was cleaning. Yesterday I went to another Kenyan's house to make my hair, so I could not clean. So I woke up today at this morning at 6 to start cleaning. Before I go out for barbecue, let me show you what I got at Mac. I went to Mac 2 Saturdays ago, and I got only 2 things. I needed a black eye pencil, and I just found this beautiful lippy that I loved. I had gone into MAC just to buy one thing, and it was this black eye pencil, but I got a lipstick. Oh my god, I'm a MAC girl. I cannot lie. It's called Feline. It is the darkest of the darkest, the blackest of the blackest. And let me show you. See? That's what I wanted. I told them, give me the one that is the blackest of them all. And I am going to apply it right now. This Feline mess. Anyway, I just wanted to see how black it is. And I'm just going to apply even on the lid. Just a simple makeup. It's not like I'm going to the club. I'm going outside our house for barbecue. We invited these friends, and Baba Ali has been cooking since morning, preparing salad, whatever. This lippy is called Vava, and let me swatch it for ya. Baba Lisa is calling me. So this is how it is. It's more of what do we call this color? Mauve color. And let me swatch it for ya. I did not have this type of color, and it's a sheen. It's not a matte. So this is the black Feline eye pencil, and this is the lippy. Let's apply it on our lips, and I'm going to let me apply the whatever first. Just the lip primer. I've been loving this lip primer from MAC. It's really doing what it is supposed to do, and I'm using it without a lip liner so that I can show you the true color. Wow, I've been looking for this type of color. This can be a day-to-day nude look, and it looks so good on women of color. MAC Vava. I love it already. I think, like you've seen, you don't even need a lip liner. Yep. Interested? Can go get it. Yay. Now let me go out for this barbecue thing. Drinks galore. We have fresh bread, some veggies, champagne.
Blog?
Yes. My friend is asking me if I'm vlogging. And we have some onions, some tomatoes, salad. This is lettuce. And then we have some meat and drinks upon drinks. Which barbecue does not have drinks and not ours? Yes, Miss Arlen. She's enjoying her meat. Say hi, Miss Arlen.
La sua è stata una scelta obbligata? Decisamente.
Enjoying my meat.
No, perché comunque.
And I'm rocking this that Massaio neck piece.
Io ho messo il bottino di fianco e gli ho tolto la sbarra perché c'ho il letto che è umidona. Poi dopo la sposto, così lei dorme lì dopo, nel lettino. No? Il divano.
Che mi droga.
Ancora sì, adesso vediamo, la stira la razza del suo fratello, dovrebbe.
Io da quando ero così ho sempre il
Oh my god. So delicious.
sempre.
So, barbecue's over. Everyone has gone home. And it's only me and my farm bum up in here. It's around 7 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stefan was a good footballer. By the way, he won a lot of medals. And so he's always teaching David how to play. There is our barbecue grill. It's a Weber. Those people who know about barbecue will know what a Weber grill is. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.